Imagine a conference with hundreds of individuals who know how to lie down in Rumi's field, a place beyond right and wrong, where words are unnecessary and the heart speaks in silence. Envision a gathering that consciously seeks to ignite an ever-present energetic resonance, drawing participants into a shared, profound experience. Picture yourself immersed in these energetic encounters, moments so captivating that the thought of them ending feels unimaginable. Visualize being in these gatherings where the resonant energy occasionally coalesces into something tangible, an experience you can feel, carry with you, and almost touch. Imagine engaging in casual yet deeply meaningful dialogues with renowned integral thought leaders that spontaneously ignite into transformative moments. Consider how these exchanges will spark a flood of ideas and possibilities, leaving you exhilarated and inspired with more insights than you can capture. Contemplate what might awaken within you in this vibrant field, what new perspectives you might discover, and what unique contributions you could offer. Reflect on how this immersion could profoundly enhance your personal and professional life, enriching your work and deepening your sense of purpose. Picture yourself among a diverse community of individuals who share a hunger for unity, each bringing their unique life experiences and insights. Consider how these profound connections could open doors to opportunities and collaboration that expand your reach beyond what you once thought possible. Imagine building relationships that transcend the conference, creating a lasting network of support, inspiration, and shared vision. This is the container we are crafting, a living, breathing space of co-creation, ready to welcome you in the spring of 2026. I am Tom Habib, and I warmly invite you to join us in birthing and co-creating Icon 2026.